Northern Symphony, Ode to Canada's People. In the land of maple and majestic shores, where northern winds whisper tales galore, there lies a nation, resilient and true, a mosaic of souls in red and white hue. Oh, Canada, your people, a tapestry rare, with hearts that beat in unity and care. From east to west across your vast expanse, diverse spirits dance in harmonious stance. In the prairies where golden wheat fields sway, hardworking souls toil day after day. Their hands the earth's treasures gently hold, planting seeds of hope, nurturing bold. In the mountains where eagles soar so high, adventurers seek freedom in the sky. Their spirits wild, as untamed rivers flow, explorers of nature's grand tableau. In the cities where lights shimmer and gleam, a symphony of cultures like a vibrant dream, from every corner of the earth they came, seeking a place to embrace, a new name. From the First Nations, guardians of the land, whispering wisdom, hand in hand, to the newcomers who found a home anew, their stories woven into Canada's fabric too. From hockey rinks to snowy slopes, polite conversations and maple syrup's hopes, Canada's spirit, humble and kind, binds the hearts of those who find it. Oh, Canada, your people's souls unite. In a chorus of love, compassion, and light, we stand as one, proud and strong, in this great nation where we belong. So raise the flag, let freedom ring, sing praises of Canada, and let us bring a tribute to the people diverse and free, a nation of beauty for all to see.